This week on RareCollectiblesTV.com, we're featuring the following rare coins. An 1898 Morgan dollar by PCGS in mint state 65 deep mirror proof-like. This Morgan boasts absolutely incredible snow white obverse and reverse frost that could make the devices pass for proof. Liberty and her eagle are shockingly white, creating the perfect stark contrast against its ultra deep mirrors, and PCGS has only certified 163 examples in this grade. Next, a 1955 Franklin half dollar in proof 69 star Cameo by NGC. This Everest series Franklin has the ultimate eye appeal with stark black and white Cameo contrast and comes complete with pristine surfaces. This is one of only 4 examples graded proof 69 star Cameo by NGC and just 2 examples graded higher in proof 69 ultra Cameo. Also, a 1955 Roosevelt Dime by NGC in proof 68 star Cameo. This dime offers that heavy ultra Cameo frost on the obverse, really allowing the devices to pop off of its jet black mirrors. The reverse holds snow white frost that just barely misses ultra Cameo. The reverse also sports some indigo and orange toning along the bottom rim, and NGC has certified only 20 examples in this grade. And finally, a 1960 Jefferson Nickel in proof 69 Cameo by NGC. This is a stunning example offering matching Cameo Plus devices on both the obverse and reverse. The fields are pristine and deep with spot-free, haze-free mirrors, and NGC has certified only 63 examples in this grade. Be sure to check out RareCollectiblesTV.com for Rick and Jack's picks. Visit us at RareCollectiblesTV.com.